Here we will write a program to find length of a tuple and also largest and smallest element from tuple. For this, first we will open the IDE. Then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write the program description. First we will define the tuple and we will add elements in it. To find length of a tuple, we will use length function from the tuple. So in print statement we will call length function. So print length of tuple, length of t. Then we will use min function to find the smallest element from the tuple. So print smallest element from tuple, and we will find largest element from tuple using max function. So with print statement we will use it, and then we will save it, and we will execute it. It will print length, smallest and largest. We will print the tuple before finding smallest and largest and length. So we will print elements from tuple. We will use print t, and we will execute it. So it will print first elements from tuple and then length of a tuple, smallest element and largest element.